Sorry about that, team. Looks like I have to make this into 2 videos because I have to update some storage about my iCloud with my iPhone Pro 16. But that's all right. We're gonna keep it pushing and hit the street. Of course, I'm hands-free right now with the bezel here. I do like this shifter. You just gotta switch it. Park, drive, neutral, reverse. It's just a quick switch. Some people don't like it. I'm a fan. This hybrid motor does make a good noise. I believe this makes close to 200 horsepower. So it's not like the fastest thing in the world, as it shouldn't be. But it is enough. It gets the job done. I like the one-touch turn signal. Gives you 3 blinks. I like the sound of the turn signal. The ride is very good on this, I have to say. I've thoroughly enjoyed driving this vehicle. We're gonna have this car with us for about a week, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually give you some thorough feedback on the full review. The snow kind of worked out perfectly because I'd like to get some real time in with this one. I have a few other Escape ST lines in my itinerary. If you go check out my older videos, I got some Ford Escapes with like 23, 24s in there that are ST line. But this is the plug-in hybrid, and I'd like to give you guys a full, thorough impression of how these differentiate between the two. For sure, the hybrid is not as peppy as that 2.0 liter EcoBoost with the 250 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. Regardless, this still sounds good. It makes a nice little rumble sound, and it's fairly good on fuel. I'm actually about to fuel up too. Of course, we're gonna stop, look both ways before we cross the street, keep it pushing.